Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection but you cannot browse any website or play games or whatever, just your network doesn't work on Microsoft Surface 5. And to do this, first let me launch the Microsoft Edge browser, and as you can see, the default website news tab doesn't work. We can also try to reach YouTube, and the same thing, it doesn't work. Now to fix that problem, we need to click on our start icon, navigate to the settings, then go for time and language, select date and time, and then make sure that set time automatically is activated like this. Now we can try to go back to Microsoft Edge, and it might not work for the first 3 minutes, but I think it works fine. If it doesn't work for you, just let it wait like 5 minutes or something, and it should go back to normal. So let me open the YouTube again. And yep, it works great. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.